In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how you can start affiliate marketing with no money. We're going to follow a simple 7-step process that I use to earn passive income with affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show that to you today. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. Let's go ahead and get right into it. You want to go ahead and start affiliate marketing, but you may not have any money to invest. In this video, I'm going to show you everything that you need to do to start earning some passive income with affiliate commissions. If we look at the screen here, the first thing that you want to do is you want to pick a niche. A niche is an area that you're going to create content, an area of focus. Now, for the purposes of this video, we want to show and teach people how to lose weight. Now, how to lose weight is going to be too large and too competitive. How to lose weight like this. What you want to do is you want to do something called niching down. And niching down is simply targeting a subsection of this market. Now, when you think of a large market like weight loss, you have to think who's going to be interested in this content. Is it going to be someone that's over 50 and they want to lose a few pounds? Is it a parent of a teen who's overweight or obese? Is it a person that has an underlying health condition, like maybe they're diabetic? What I recommend that you do is spend some time thinking about who your target audience is so that you can create that type of content. What we're going to do is we're going to create content on how to lose 10 pounds. All right. So this is going to be our area of expertise. This is what we're going to create content on. The next step, now that we've identified our niche and niche down, we are going to simply find 5 affiliate programs. Now, this actually makes me a little bit more different than the other affiliate marketers out here. Most affiliate marketers will tell you that you need to promote high ticket items. High ticket items are great if you are looking to drain as much money from a customer as possible. However, if we want to help the customer, we realize that the customer has multiple problems and there are multiple solutions for these multiple problems. So if you go out, grab their name and their email address, which we'll talk about in just a moment, we can promote multiple affiliate programs and ultimately make more money over the long term. So we want to identify 5 affiliate programs. And just to get an idea of the different types of affiliate programs that we could look out for, is we could find affiliate programs for a course. Maybe online training or like personal training. We can do like diet plans or meal supplements, diet plans. Let's go back here, diet plans. We could say like weight loss pills like this. And we can even promote things like yoga balls and different exercise equipment. And so as you can see here, when you start thinking about it, it's not too difficult to find a list of solutions for this problem that we could promote and that the customer actually needs. So step 2 is to find 5 or more affiliate programs that we plan on promoting. The next step after that is to decide on where to create content. Now, you have to remember that there are billions of people on the internet, and these people all like to hang out in different places. Some people like to hang out on TikTok, some like to hang out on YouTube, some like to hang out on forum sites, but millions of people, in fact, are hanging out in these different locations. And so what I want to do, if I want to get started fast, is I'm going to start creating vertical videos, okay? And you notice that I didn't say TikTok videos. I want to create vertical videos that will show up for YouTube and TikTok and Instagram and Facebook and Pinterest and Reddit, because we can create videos and repurpose them everywhere. So we could start creating, we'll call them TikTok videos, but they can be repurposed anywhere and everywhere. And that's exactly what we're going to do. Once we decide where we're going to create content, we need to spend some time learning about the platform. Now, learning about the platform basically means just scroll through, see what works, see what doesn't work. You're going to do a little bit of research, figure out the types of content that work best for your market, okay? There are different types of content that work for different industries, and so you want to spend some time learning that. Once you decide where you're going to create content, the next step is keyword research. Now, keyword research is simply the art and science of figuring out what your target audience wants to know. And for us, we're going to do this the fastest way possible, and we're actually going to use a website called Answer the Public. Now, with Answer the Public, I typed in lose 10 pounds, and it actually came up with a bunch of suggestions for me for free. As you can see, how to lose 10 pounds in a week, how to lose 10 pounds in a month. We can turn these into different tips. For example, 5 ways to lose 10 pounds in a week. That's going to attract our target audience. Now, You want to make sure that you are creating content that is ethical and moral and above board. You don't want to say how to lose 10 pounds in 2 days, because that could make someone sick. But you want to be smart when you're doing this. What you could do, and what I recommend that you do if you're going to follow this method, is I would do how to lose 10 pounds in a day without spending 8 hours in the gym, or how to lose 10 pounds in a day, or how to lose 10 pounds in a month without something negative. That's going to be a great way to attract your target audience. So as you can see here, there are tons of these different opportunities. You can do like how to lose 10 pounds as a 50-year-old, how to lose belly fat, how to lose 10 pounds in your belly, whatever it may be. You can see that there are tons of these opportunities. Again, this is a website called answerthepublic.com. You only get 2 searches per day, per 24-hour period. So you want to make sure that you make them count. But if we come back over here, we can also think about different types of questions people are asking. They're thinking about review videos. So they saw a supplement online, review. They saw a supplement online and they're wondering if it's a good product. So we can do reviews, we can do unboxings like this, and first impressions. Okay? And he spelled impressions wrong, but that's fine. The next thing that we can do is we can create best X under Y. For example, best yoga mats under $50. Best yoga mats under $50. All right. So those are things that people are asking. We can also do best X for Y. So best ways to lose weight as a 50-year-old, or best way to lose weight for 50-year-olds. For 50-year-olds. All right. And these are all questions that people are asking. We can also do how to do X, how to do X, how to lose 10 pounds. Okay. These are all questions that people are asking. This is keyword research, simply the art of figuring out what your target audience wants to know. After that, we can start email marketing. Now, email marketing is going to be critical to our success, because we are going to collect emails and we're going to follow up and send emails regarding these different affiliate opportunities. So email marketing consists of a few things. It consists of a lead magnet, and a lead magnet is simply a free gift or guide in exchange for an email address. Now, the key with a lead magnet is that the target audience has to find value in it. And for this example, our lead magnet could be something like how to do X in Y without Z. For example, that could be how to lose 10 pounds in 1 week without spending 8 hours in the gym. Now that's a great title for a lead magnet, because someone that wants to lose weight doesn't want the pain of spending 8 hours in the gym. I spelled in the gym just like that. And so this is a really good lead magnet. This lead magnet could be a checklist. It can be a PDF, ebook. It could be a training that you put together. Okay. And so now that we have the lead magnet, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit more about what you should do with your lead magnet, we are going to create a landing page. Now that landing page is simply designed to collect the person's name and email. Now you can start email marketing for free, so there's no excuse for you not to do it. The landing page is going to have a headline, a sub-headline like this, and then it's going to have a box for the name, the email address, and the submit button to submit it. Our headline is going to read something like this: how to lose 10 pounds in 1 week without spending 8 hours in the gym. Okay, and that's going to attract people that want to lose weight but don't have time to spend in the gym. Our sub headline could read free training reveals new tricks, new tips, or something like that. And then the other things, we're going to have them enter their name, their email, and submit. So what's going to happen is once they enter their name and their email and press the submit button, they're going to go to a thank you page. And on that thank you page, we're going to have affiliate links. It's going to say, thank you for entering your name and email. Your ebook will be mailed shortly, or something like that. And then it's going to say, in the meantime, check out these offers to lose 10 pounds fast. And then you could actually put affiliate links right here. And then you could potentially make money on the front end, just like that. And so the next step is we need a autoresponder like this, autoresponder, and we're going to also have broadcast emails. Our autoresponder is going to do the heavy lifting for us in the very beginning. Our autoresponder is going to send out emails automatically to our target audience, the people that are on our mailing list. The first email is going to be a welcome email, and it's going to include our lead magnet like this. All right. Within the lead magnet, and I've got a bunch of words here spelled wrong. That's fine. Hopefully you understand what's going on. Included in our lead magnet will be affiliate links. So if we created a free ebook to give away with like 10 tips to lose 8 pounds without spending 8 hours in the gym, one of them could be eating better. And then we could actually find meal plans or like home delivery services that we could be an affiliate for, like HelloFresh, and then include those links in our free training. We could actually find different courses that are out there. And we're going to simply include those in the lead magnet. People click on them within the lead magnet and buy, we can make money. And so our autoresponder is going to actually send out 5 emails per affiliate program that we're signed up with. And we're going to make sure that we remind our customer, our target audience, of the pain that they're issuing or that they're having. For example, one of our email subject lines is, is your wedding dress still too tight? And if they're getting married, for example, they're going to open that email. Or we could say problems fitting into your wedding dress, like this. And then once again, we're going to remind them of the problem. We're also going to include the solution, and we're going to put our affiliate links in our emails. And so this is going to set up about 25 emails in the email sequence. These are going to go out automatically. Okay. After the 25 emails, we're going to roll them into a different email list where we send out broadcast emails. Now, I like to send out broadcast emails whenever I have new information, whether it's a new blog post or a new YouTube video, we're going to send them that information. It helps us build trust. And then we can also include a call to action to buy the different products that we're promoting. And I typically will send out 1 broadcast email per day, reminding people of the problem and solution that they have. The next step is to simply go out there and create content. You are going to create content that ultimately solves a problem. If we are creating content about 5 ways to lose weight without going to the gym, we are going to include 5 ways. And then we're going to make sure that all of our videos have a hook, story, and offer. Our hook could be something like, hey, do you want to lose 10 pounds, but you don't have 8 hours to dedicate to the gym? Here are 5 ways that you could lose 10 pounds relatively quickly. We pay off that hook with a story, so we're going to give those the 5 ways. And then we can add a call to action like, if you want to learn how to lose 10 pounds in 5 days without spending 8 hours in the gym, click the first link in the description for my free training or my free ebook, and that will get them to take action. You are simply going to create content that is going to provide solutions to the customer. You're going to get them to your mailing list, and then you can make money on autopilot. The final step really is to just check your analytics to make sure that you are on the right track. Now, there are 2 types of analytics. There are important analytics and there are not important analytics. The not important analytics are subscribers. So I'm going to put this in bold. Subscriber numbers don't matter. Okay. So don't look at the number of subscribers you have. Oftentimes I see on TikTok, people are showing people how to gain 100,000 subscribers on TikTok, but that doesn't matter if you're only making $200 a month from TikTok. What matters is the number of views, the number of comments, engagement, the number of shares. Those are numbers that are important, not the subscriber number. That's a vanity metric that people use to pat themselves on the back. I've got 1 million subscribers. I'm only making $1,000 per month. If you look at my accounts, I only have 13,000 subscribers on YouTube. I only have 47,000 subscribers on TikTok. That's tiny for TikTok. I have less than 4,000 subscribers on Pinterest, and I do very well for myself with these small subscriber numbers. So if we look at the final thing, the final step is to rinse and repeat. You want to repeat steps. You really want to repeat steps 4 through 7 until you are successful. So this is really everything that you need to get up and running, to start making money with affiliate marketing without spending any. Now that you know how to do this step by step, click the first link in the description for my free training that will show you how to make a full-time income with affiliate marketing without spending a dime on paid ads, without social media following, or without a mailing list. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.